Hey guys, today's video I'm gonna show you another G test route. I'm here at Oshawa Drive Test Center, 200 John Street. So I'm leaving from the parking lot. So before leaving, make sure that you're wearing your seat belt and you're ready to go. Your windows are up and you will give right signal. Check both sides, right, left, right. When it's safe to do, move slowly. Give left signal. Examiner will ask you to turn right, give right signal. At stop sign, they will ask you to turn left, give left signal. Come to a complete stop. Enter. Scan both sides, right, left, right. When it's safe to do, move your car. Speed limit is 40 here, so we will drive at 40. Scan both sides. It says maximum 50 begins, so we can go at 50 now. They will ask you to make right turn from here, give right signal. Keep 1 car distance when you stop behind the car. Check your right side blind spot and finish your turn. Speed limit is 50 here. They will ask you to switch lane to the left. So mirror, signal, blind spot. Change lane to the left. Stay in same lane and continue driving straight. Scan both sides. Whenever you pass any green light, you have to scan both sides. So it says 30 kilometer. It's a recommended speed. So if you can control your car at 40 or 45, you can drive on that speed as long as you have a good control on the car. Keep eye on the light here. So my light is red. I will make complete stop before white line. Scan both sides and move the car same time. Speed limit is 50 here. I'm at Simcoe Street right now. They will ask you to switch lane to the left and come back to the right lane. So I'm gonna switch lane. So switch lane to the left, drive a bit, and then come back to the right lane when it's safe to do. Scan both sides. So here examiner will ask you we have to take an exit at 401 West. So check your mirror signal blind spot, right side blind spot, check your blind spot again. Now we are at the ramp. So it says 30 is a recommended speed. So if you can control your car at 30 or 35 or 40 maximum, go on that speed, because if you will go more than that, you're gonna lose control because it's a sharp turn. As soon as your car is straight, you have to hit 100. So it depends on the traffic. Let's say right now there's a traffic on the left lane, so I'm gonna give signal and I'm doing merging at 80 because there is a car in front of me. I have no choice. Now I can increase my speed and they will ask you to switch lane to the left and come back to the right lane. So I'm switching lane. Again, I have to switch lane to the right and there's a car in front of me, so I'm gonna give signal. I'm gonna watch my blind spot, and now my lane is empty, so I can go at 100. They will ask you to take exit at Stevenson, so we are gonna take exit. No need to give signal here. It says 50 recommended speed, so gradually I'm slowing down my speed. So examiner will say stay in same lane and turn left. As soon as I'm able to see the road marking, I will give my left signal. Since my light is green, so I can finish my turn. And they will say we have to go on 401 East. So I can see that there is a sign for 401 East and it says right lane exit. So I'm gonna come to the right lane. No need to speed up here so much because you're gonna take exit. So no speed posted here, so you can go at the speed that you can control car. So 40 is a recommended speed for the turn at the ramp, so try to go at 40 or 45. As soon as your car is straight, you can speed up and you can hit 100. Again, you have to do the merging as per the traffic flow, as per the weather condition, as per the road condition. So I'm at 100 right now and I'm checking my mirror, my signal is on, I'm checking my blind spot and I'm doing lane change. So they will ask you to do the switch lane to the left and come back to the right lane. So I'm gonna do it again. So I give signal. So now there is enough space for me to do the merging. So I'm gonna do the merging. And I will drive a bit and then I will come back to the right lane when it's safe to do. So I gave signal. I checked my rear view mirror. I checked my blind spot and I'm changing the lane. So they will say take exit at Ritson Road. So I'm gonna take exit at Ritson. While driving on highway, keep 5 to 6 car distance from the vehicle in front of you. So as soon as you're able to see the road marking or the dotted line, you have to give signal and you have to change your lane. From here, you can start slowing down. So it says 20 is a recommended speed. So it's a very sharp turn. So you have to make sure that when you reach here to this point, your speed has to be 20. They will say stay in same lane and turn right. So we will give signal. Light is green. We will check our right side blind spot and finish our turn. Now they will ask you to do the lane change to the left and come back to the right lane. So I'm gonna change my lane to the left and I'm gonna come back to the right lane. So we are at Bloor Street right now. At upcoming traffic light, they will say take a right turn. So we are gonna go to Simcoe Street now. So I'm gonna give my signal, right signal on. Complete stop. Since the light is red, we have to come to a complete stop. Count 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3. Now you can creep up, scan both sides. When it's safe to do, finish your turn. So we are at Simcoe Street right now. Speed limit is 50 here. If you're not able to find any speed sign, that means you have to drive at 50. Switch lane to the left when it's safe to do. Stop before white line. Both hands on the steering wheel at 9-3 position. limit is 50 here. Keep eye on your speed as well. Scan both sides. Whenever you pass any green light, you have to scan both sides. While driving on a local road, you have to keep 3 to 4 car distance from the car in front of you. So now it starts one-way street from here. So 1 car distance when you stop behind the car. Keep checking your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. So examiner will say we have to turn left at the traffic light. So there is a grocery store at the corner and there is always a traffic there, the vehicle parked there because there's a parking there as well. So pass these cars, and when it's safe to do the lane change to the left. And since it's a one-way street and the light is green, we don't have to worry about the oncoming traffic, and we will finish our turn. Speed limit is 50 here again. We are at John Street right now. Keep scanning, keep checking your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. Speed limit is 50 here so far. So from here it says 40 begins. As you can see the sign on the right side, so you have to make sure that you will go at 40. So a lot of students did do the mistake here. When they're going downhill, the speed goes up. So make sure that your speed has to be 40. Your foot has to be on the brake. From here, examiner will ask you to take a right turn. So check your blind spot, right side blind spot, and finish your turn. And then they will ask you to turn left. So give left signal, check your blind spot, finish your turn, and then they will ask you to do front in on right side or front in on left side. So check your blind spot and finish your parking. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.